The speed of your direct deposit usually depends more on when your employer submits payroll than on whether you use a rapid pay card or Netspend. By the end of this video, you'll know which card makes more sense if getting paid as early as possible is your top priority. Here's the quick answer. Both rapid pay card and Netspend support direct deposit, but neither can make money available before the payroll file is received from your employer or payroll provider. If your employer sends payroll early, either card may post funds sooner. If payroll is submitted late, switching cards won't fix the delay. Start by understanding how direct deposit actually works. Your employer creates a payroll file and sends it through the banking system. Once that file reaches the card provider, the funds are processed according to that provider's policies. The card doesn't control when your employer starts the process. Now compare the two options. A rapid pay card is commonly offered through employers as part of a payroll program. That can make setup simple because your payroll department is already familiar with the system. If your workplace already issues rapid pay cards, enrolling may require very little effort. Netspend works differently. You typically sign up yourself and provide your direct deposit information to your employer. That gives you more flexibility because the account stays with you even if you change jobs, but you'll still need to update your payroll details whenever you start new employment. Reliability matters just as much as speed. Before choosing either card, check how easy it is to access your account, review deposits, transfer money, and contact customer support if a payment doesn't appear when expected. A card that helps you solve problems quickly can be more valuable than one promising earlier access. Here's a simple way to choose. If your employer already offers a rapid pay card, and you want the easiest payroll setup, staying within that program may be the most convenient option. If you prefer managing your own prepaid account independently of your employer, Netspend may fit your needs better. Also remember that the first direct deposit often takes longer than later ones because payroll information has to be added and verified. After everything is set up correctly, future deposits generally follow your employer's normal payroll schedule. The better card isn't automatically the one advertised as faster. It's the one that works smoothly with your employer's payroll process and gives you the account features you actually use. Before switching cards, ask your payroll department when payroll files are submitted each pay period. That answer often has a bigger impact on deposit timing than the card itself. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other straightforward financial comparisons.